The absolute apex predator of the ocean is not the great white shark. It is the orca, and it hunts great whites with the cold, surgical precision of a military operation. By ramming the shark and flipping it upside down, the orca triggers the state of complete paralysis called tonic immobility. Then it bites open the shark's chest and squeezes out its nutrient-rich liver, leaving the rest of the carcass untouched. In South Africa, a notorious pair of orcas named Port and Starboard began executing this exact tactic. Within months, they systematically hunted and killed dozens of great white sharks. The local shark population did not fight back. They fled. Entire bays previously dominated by great whites were completely abandoned overnight. The ocean's most feared predator had become the prey. Data from tracking tags revealed that when a single orca pod enters a feeding ground, every great white shark in the area evacuates immediately. They do not return for up to a year. The great white is a solitary hunter, relying on ambush and raw power. The orca is a tactical weight of 6 tons, moving in a coordinated pack, capable of hunting down anything that swims. What makes this creature the ultimate ocean tactician? The secret is not just its teeth or speed, it is the structure of its brain. Start with the physical machine. An adult male orca grows to 8 meters in length and weighs up to 6 tons. Its black and white coloration is a form of counter-shading camouflage, breaking up its outline in the water. It can swim at speeds of 56 kilometers per hour, driven by a massive, muscular tail. But the real blueprint of its dominance lies inside its skull. The orca possesses a 5.4 kilogram brain, the second largest of any ocean mammal. But volume is not the only metric. The orca's brain has the highest gyrification index on Earth. Its cerebral cortex is more heavily folded and packed with surface area than a human brain. This massive structural complexity is organized to process sensory sound data and complex spatial coordinates at light speed. Now look closer at an anatomical structure that humans do not possess, the paralimbic cleft. In humans, the limbic system processes emotions while the cortex manages cognitive thought. In the orca brain, the paralimbic cleft is an entire lobe of extra tissue that merges these two systems together. Neuroscientists believe this integration allows orcas to process emotions and social relationships at a level of complexity we cannot fully comprehend. The orca's brain structure is designed for tactical intelligence. It is a biological parallel to a military tactical communications network. While human soldiers require electronic radios to coordinate movements in the dark, the orca pod uses a shared acoustic language, signature whistles, and high-frequency echolocation, and to move as a single coordinated organism. Every individual is a node in a living network. The result of this architecture is tactical coordination that borders on military strategy. In the Antarctic, an orca pod will swim in tight formation toward an ice floe, creating a synchronized wave that washes a sleeping seal directly into the water. In Argentina, they intentionally beach themselves on the shore to grab sea lions, calculating the exact angle of the tide to slide back into the ocean. They do not just hunt sharks or seals, they hunt blue whales, the largest animals to ever exist on Earth. An orca pod will run a blue whale to exhaustion over hours, taking turns to ram it, preventing it from surfacing to breathe, and eventually drowning it.
No other predator on Earth has ever coordinated attacks at this scale. But this advanced social structure comes with a significant trade-off: culture over instinct. Orcas are not born knowing to hunt, they must be taught. Hunting techniques, vocal dialects, and pod strategies are passed down across generations by the matriarch. If the matriarch dies before passing on this knowledge, the pod's ability to survive in that region can be lost forever. Here is the twist that genetics is still trying to decode. The species we call the orca may be multiple distinct cultural lineages. Different ecotypes of orcas live in the same waters, but they speak different dialects, hunt different prey, and never crossbreed. They are separated not by geography, but by culture. They do not see themselves as one species, but as distinct tribes. We share a planet with an intelligence that is older, more social, and structurally more emotional than our own. Swimming in the dark, hunting in silence, decade after decade. We are not the only minds that have conquered the wild.